Hello guys, in my last tutorial I guided you how to create a server in AWS. Today I will show you how to connect this server using your favorite FTP client FileZilla. So first please log into your console, AWS dashboard. Okay, from services please click EC2. Okay, then instance, then select your newly created instance. You can see this one I created in my last tutorial. Just simply click this. We need the key for this server. Hope you can remember the key that we created in my last tutorial, which is located here. Hope you can remember this. If you have any confusions how I get this key, please check my last tutorial. I'll give you the link in description. Okay, so open FileZilla from settings, SFTP, add new key, add this. I have already added this, that's why I'm getting this warning. Okay, then copy this on. Username will be Ubuntu. Password don't need to give anything. Port 22. If you see any authorization, please click OK. Okay, so we are connected. Here you can see all the files of this server. This folder I created, you can create new one. I'm deleting this. Okay, create new folder, www. This one I'm creating because this will be the root for my project. Okay, if you want to create any file, simply create this HTML. Okay, that's it. In my next tutorial I will show you how to set up Apache and run a PHP page using this server. Okay, thank you guys.